Welcome to the first ever peanut quiz. Today is all about your body bonds, brains, and everything in between. Can we get all 40 anatomy questions right? Let's find out, and don't forget to comment below how many you get correct. Which body part doesn't get cancer? The correct answer is heart. How many bones are in the adult human body? The correct answer is 206. Question number 3. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? The correct answer is heart. What is the largest organ in the human body? The correct answer is skin. Which part of the brain controls balance? The correct answer is cerebellum. Question number 6. Which blood cells fight infections? The correct answer is white blood cells. Where is the femur bone located? The correct answer is leg. Which organ filters blood? The correct answer is kidney. What is the main job of red blood cells? The correct answer is transport oxygen. What is the longest bone in the human body? The correct answer is femur. What organ produces insulin? The correct answer is pancreas. Which part of the eye adjusts to control light? The correct answer is iris. How many kidneys does a healthy person have? The correct answer is 2. Where are alveoli found? The correct answer is lungs. What type of joint is in the shoulder? The correct answer is ball and socket. What is the function of the small intestine? The correct answer is absorb nutrients. Which muscle help you breathe? The correct answer is diaphragm. What is the basic unit of the nervous system? The correct answer is neuron. Which bone protects your brain? The correct answer is skull. What organ detoxifies chemicals in the body? The correct answer is liver. What part of the ear helps with balance? The correct answer is semicircular canal. How many lobes are in the human brain? The correct answer is 4. Which bone is also known as a collarbone? The correct answer is clavicle. Where is the hypothalamus located? The correct answer is brain. What part of the body produces bile? The correct answer is liver. Which part of the digestive system comes after the stomach? The correct answer is small intestine. What tissue connects muscles to bones? The correct answer is tendons. What is the soft center of a bone called? The correct answer is marrow. What is the function of platelets? Correct answer is help blood clot. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The correct answer is stapes. Where is the pituitary gland located? The correct answer is brain. How many chambers does the heart have? The correct answer is 4. What part of the body contains the vocal cords? The correct answer is larynx. What structure connects the two hemispheres of the brain? The correct answer is corpus callosum. What does the spleen do? The correct answer is filters blood. What is the flap that covers the windpipe while swallowing? The correct answer is epiglottis. Which part of the brain controls vision? The correct answer is occipital lobe. What part of the body is responsible for producing red blood cells? The correct answer is bone marrow. Which part of the body stores urine before it's excreted? The correct answer is bladder. What organ is affected by hepatitis? The correct answer is liver.